Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your account and system basics are correct so diagnostics work. Once signed in as an administrator, confirm time, region, and your Microsoft account. Mismatches cause store authentication failures. Next, run Windows Update and install all pending patches, then restart. While Windows reboots, plan to open PowerShell as admin to run repair commands. This lets you reset caches and re-register apps. Make sure to note any error codes you see for later troubleshooting. Now you perform the detailed fixes that actually resolve corruption. First, go to Settings, Apps, Microsoft Store, Advanced Options, and click Reset. Test the store afterward. If that fails, run PowerShell commands to remove and re-register the store package. This replaces broken app files. Then run WS Reset, exe to clear the cache and eliminate stale entries. While doing this, watch Event Viewer for related errors. That log explains whether permissions, package family, or service issues remain. Finish by ensuring supporting services are active and verifying profile integrity. You should check that Windows Update, Microsoft Store install service, and bits are running. Start them if not. If the store works under a new local admin account, you know the problem is profile-specific and can migrate data. If the issue persists, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health followed by sfc/scano to repair system files. One key tip: if commands fail, capture the exact error text and search logs before repeating steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.